Hello, everyone, and happy Friday. This is Terry Short, the lifelong learner, coming to you guys again from Clear Diamond Realty and Insurance. And just wanted to reach out and just remind everyone how important it is to have insurance. I know earlier in the week I had put out a couple posts about with some graphs, of course, attached to them, with showing generational wealth and how low the younger people are and how far behind they are than the guys that came before them. So as a remedy to some of these things, or at least to help some of us in the future, I wanted to kind of speak about the life insurance and how that would help to close that wealth gap, or at least help transfer some of the wealth from one generation to the next. I guess we have these discussions from time to time about how much life insurance we need. I know earlier in the week I also actually used one of my what they call life insurance needs analysis. I posted that just as an example to show, giving just a quick example. If you had a mortgage and showing how much you would need, based on your income and any outstanding loans and future education needs, or even present educational loans that you may have outstanding. So just wanted to just keep harping on this thing all year. I want to come back to you guys, let you know that life insurance is very, very important. I mean, when you think about it, when you're looking at how the kids are having trouble keeping up with the parents, and then the parents with the grandparents, when someone dies, you don't want to just leave dead. You want to at least leave something, a way to bury someone, and if possible, have a little bit extra to help that person while they're grieving, to push them further along and help them with their income. They may have to take some time off, and if you have an insurance policy there, you may not have to rush right back to work, and you give yourself some time to grieve and go through that process where you don't have to just worry about burying someone on Friday and being back at work on Monday. You may have to take some time off and get yourself together. So I always want to at least give my numbers, at least let's discuss it. I mean, most of the time I'm pushing term insurance, but there are term policies, we have permanent policies. There are all types of policies in there. We just always want to give you what's best for you. When we're just talking about term is usually going to be a little bit less expensive than a whole life policy, but of course that's based on time. So it's only good for a certain term. That's why I call it term insurance. But we can also discuss those things. I would say I'm always available. It doesn't cost anything just to call me. Let's talk about it. Let's see if we can get you a quote. We can have so many companies out there that I can work with, so we can get you basically any type of insurance that you need. So the easiest and quickest, of course, is going to be the term policies. You just want to have a level term. We can do that quite easily. We can ask a few questions for his name, age, kind of get some quotes. We can put it in, give you the top 5 quotes if you want, or give you the top 10 quotes, however many you want. They're there, but normally 5 would be sufficient, at least the top 5. So give me a call at 210-990-6677. That's 210-990-6677. I can also be reached by email at tshort@satx.rr.com. That's tshort@satx. That's S as in Sierra, A as in Alpha, T as in Tango, X as in X-ray, .rr. So that's R as in Romeo, R as in Romeo.com. So that's tshort@satx.rr.com. So either way, I will get back to you as quickly as possible. But if you just want to ask questions, call me on the cell phone. I'm always available. Only way, and if I don't answer, please leave a message. Usually, if I don't answer, I'm either on the phone with someone else or in a meeting. So please give me a call. And guys, until the next time, next video, keep in mind those graphs I put up this week by age. You've probably seen those out on the internet somewhere. It says wealth by age, and it shows how the millennials are really starting to fall back, and also wealth by generation. And but millennials and Generation X are usually, these are the two that are falling behind. So that would be people like my age and Generation X, maybe like my son's age and millennials. So those are the two lower classes of people that are having more trouble sustaining and building wealth, not just keeping wealth, but actually building wealth. So let's try to at least fix one of those issues by having a great life insurance policy, so at least when we die and we pass on, we see that unforeseen incident or accident, we at least get the next person, the next generation of our family members something. So please give me a call. Let's just talk about it. And until the next time, guys, call me 210-990-6677, and y'all have a great weekend. I'll talk to you next week.